Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. Today on my channel I am going to finish the poinsettia wreath that I started last night. And yeah, no, I'm looking a little bit tired today. I am tired. I wanted to come home from work and take a nap, but I know I wanted to finish this wreath. So with that being said, let me gather everything together and we're going to do it right here on this table because I'm not getting down there on that floor today. Today is not the day. But I just want to let you know I have my hot glue on standby. Matter of fact, I'm going to get some glue sticks together. I'm going to make sure that my lights are charged up. And we're going to get this wreath situated up on this table. And we're going to get it cracking. How about that? Right, be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back with the wreath, and again none of this is glued in place, so I'm going to wind up taking it all off, put it in place. I'll show you how I'm doing it as I go along. You already saw how I made the ribbon, and I have pieces here, some coily pieces that I snapped off. They were on a longer stick. I snapped them off, and I was able to make a few more coils out of the ends because the ends were long enough for me to coil them up like this. I also have a letter, the letter S, because that's the initial of one of the clients that I'm working this wreath for. I also have the welcome that I couldn't find yesterday, and I want to incorporate these two in some kind of way once I have this wreath all put together. So, alright, I'm going to get this thing naked and we're going to start it over from scratch. Be right back. Okay, I already have the bow put in place. This is how the bow turned out. And I'm going to crinkle up the tail of it. But it's on and I have it wired in place. Where's it at? Right here. You can, I don't know if you can see the red wire right here. It's so thin, which is a good thing. Okay. And I told you that I have a beautiful velour textured flower. I don't know what kind of flower this is, but it's beautiful. And I'm going to take my hot glue gun. I'm going to find a place on here to stick this through. About right. Right up under here. Right there. Found a spot. Yep, need more hot glue. I probably should get my big hot glue gun. Let me put some glue on here. And then we're going to press it on through. Pull that around. Like that. Okay. And I'll fix that up as I go along. Give this a chance to set. Alright, the next thing I'm going to put in